Question 5. A spinner is spun. The possible outcome of A, B, C, or D. The probability of spinning A, C, or D is shown in the table. Okay, it's a letter A, B, C, D. Probability 0.2 plus unknown X here. Complete the table. Okay. For probability, you need to know when you plus everything, this should equal to 1. Okay, so 0.2 plus X plus 0.05 plus 0.35, it should equal to 1. Therefore, your X should equal to 1 minus 0.2 minus 0.05 minus 0.35. Calculate, you should get 0.4. The answer is 0.4. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your study. If this is your first time, so do subscribe for more tricks and step-by-step solution as well as answering strategies. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.